Welcome to Storytime English, where we enjoy stories and practice English at the same time. Today, Chichén Itzá, the lost knowledge of the Temple of the Sun. One of the most precise temples in the world, built more than 1,000 years ago, in the middle of the jungle. In Yucatan, Mexico, there is a place full of secrets, a place where the stones seem to speak. That place is Chichén Itzá, the ancient city of the Maya, a city built without modern tools, but with a precision that surprises scientists today. Many, many years ago, the Maya people built it. They had no metal tools, they had no wheels, but they were brilliant. They were builders, scientists, artists, and thinkers. Chichén Itzá was one of their most important cities. In the center, there is a pyramid. Its name is El Castillo, or the Temple of Kukulkán. It's not the biggest pyramid in the world, but it may be one of the smartest. This pyramid is special. It's not just a building. It's a calendar, a clock, and a message to the sky. It has 365 steps, one for each day of the year. Each side has 91 steps, and if you count the top platform, it makes 365. This shows that the Maya understood time better than many other civilizations. But there is more. 2 times a year, during the spring and autumn equinox, something amazing happens. The sun shines on the pyramid at a perfect angle, and a shadow appears. The shadow looks like a snake, slowly moving down the steps. The Maya believed it was the god Kukulkán returning to Earth. Thousands of people visit Chichén Itzá just to see that magical moment. Now, imagine standing there. The stone is warm from the sun. The jungle is quiet. And suddenly, the shadow of the snake appears. It feels like the past is standing right beside you. But Chichén Itzá is not only the pyramid. There are many other buildings, like the Great Ball Court, where players played an ancient game. Some say the winners were honored. Others say they were sacrificed to the gods. There is also the sacred cenote, a deep, natural well. Archaeologists found gold, jewels, and even bones inside it. It was a sacred place where people gave gifts to the gods. Many mysteries remain. How did the Maya learn so much about the sun, the stars, and time? Why did they leave Chichén Itzá? What secrets are still hidden under the jungle? Some people believe the city holds answers to ancient knowledge. Others say the Maya were connected to something greater, maybe even the universe itself. But one thing is clear. The Maya were amazing. They built a city that still inspires us today. They built with purpose, with meaning, and with beauty. They lived looking at the stars. And they left a story written in stone. Chichén Itzá is not just ruins. It's a door to the past, a reminder that the ancient people were not so different from us. They looked at the sky. They searched for answers. Did you know? Some researchers believe that the entire city of Chichén Itzá was built according to the stars. Its temples and buildings are perfectly aligned with the sun, the moon, and planets, showing that the Maya may have been some of the best ancient astronomers in the world. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Want to discover more mysteries of the world while improving your English? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.